Hey, what's up guys? Mike from Sound of Tri-State in Folsom, Pennsylvania. Today I have a 2015 GMC Sierra that we just wrapped up. So I'm going to show you what we did here. Take a look. So you can see on here, this thing fits absolutely amazing. So you can see this silver part here, the dash. This is the original trim, even this little black part here. So what we do is we modify this original dash. We set the radio back extremely far. You can see there's basically no gap. And the 10-inch Kenwood LCD, it actually just fits in this factory beveled edge beautifully. So with this particular radio, it's a fully loaded piece. So it has HD radio for AM and FM. It's got Bluetooth hands-free, Bluetooth audio. Of course, it has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which are both wireless. We were able to retain our client's steering wheel controls to keep them functioning. We were able to retain his factory backup camera. And then we were even able to retain his factory Sirius XM antenna, and we added our own tuner to this piece. So again, super streamlined. This truck, it works perfectly. We've been doing a ton of these like this. This is the highest end radio that we have, and on these trucks it just fits absolutely amazing. So if you guys have a vehicle, you need a radio, of course with Silverado, the Sierra, if you want to have the best of the best, this is it. Please reach out to us, 610-328-0301. All right, thank you guys.